good afternoon and welcome to my vlog. Ayan guys, nandito po ako sa may 3J LGE Jose Pharmacy. Ayan, welcome po, bagong bukas po sila guys. Ayan, meron po sila dito. Ayan. 3J Pharmacy po guys. Paki-support po natin siya guys. Dito lang po yan guys sa may barangay San Jose, Tarlac. Black 4, barangay San Jose, Tarlac City guys. Besides Benry. Located po yung pharmacy nila dito guys sa may The Next Generation Christian Church dito po sa may San Jose, Tarlac City, Black 4. Dito sa may The Next Generation International Christian Church. Ayan, located lang po dito guys. Yung open po ang yung sa pharmacy dito po sa may barangay San Jose. Ito po yung 3J LGE Pharmacy. Thank you guys sa pag-support. Along the highway lang po yan guys. Hello guys, good afternoon guys, and welcome to my vlog. Guys, meron po tayo guys bagong bukas na pharmacy dito po sa may barangay San Jose guys. 3J LGE Jose Pharmacy. Tamang gamot sa tamang halaga dito sa ating butigan. Black 4, barangay San Jose, Tarlac City guys. Ayan guys, pag-support po natin si 3J LGE Jose Pharmacy. Ayan po. Located po at barangay San Jose, Tarlac City po guys.